Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Here are the key insights from today's video. We will share snacks under 100 calories that you can make using simple kitchen ingredients. Each snack comes with its own set of nutritional benefits, helping you stay healthy and satisfied. Plus, we will discuss quick ways to prepare and enjoy these low-calorie treats. Incorporating these snacks into your routine can support your weight loss journey while keeping your energy levels high. Starting with the first snack, sprouts are a powerhouse of nutrients and low in calories. They're rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a perfect weight loss snack. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of black salt for flavor. This wholesome snack is filling and helps improve digestion. Poha is a classic breakfast that also works as a snack. It's light, low in calories, and easy to digest. Cook it with curry leaves, mustard seeds, green chilies, and veggies like peas and carrots. Garnish with coriander and a dash of lemon juice for added flavor. You can also add roasted peanuts for a crunch and extra protein. This quick and wholesome dish is perfect for weight management and keeps you energized throughout the day. Paneer is a great source of protein, perfect for building muscle and keeping you satiated. Grill 50 grams of paneer with a pinch of turmeric, chili powder, and black pepper for a spicy twist. It's a warm and satisfying snack for weight management. You can also drizzle a little lemon juice on top for added freshness. This simple, protein-packed snack is not only delicious but also helps curb hunger between meals. Fruits like papaya is loaded with antioxidants and natural sweetness. This snack is under 100 calories and supports weight loss while giving your body a boost of vitamins and hydration. Add a pinch of black salt for extra flavor. Papaya is rich in fiber, aiding digestion and helping to maintain a healthy gut. It's also low in calories, making it a perfect choice for a light, refreshing snack that keeps you full without overloading your calorie intake. Upma is high in fiber, helping to keep you full longer and support digestion. It's also rich in essential nutrients from the vegetables, making it a nutritious, low-calorie snack that can be easily customized to suit your taste. Made from semolina, upma is a light yet satisfying snack. Cook 1/2 cup with veggies like beans, carrots, and peas, and season with mustard seeds and curry leaves. A dash of lemon juice enhances its flavor, making it a delicious and healthy choice. Now, moving to the sixth snack, roasted chana is a great source of plant-based protein, making it an ideal snack for weight management. The addition of cucumber and tomato provides vitamins and hydration, while the chaat masala adds a burst of flavor. This snack is not only delicious but also a great option for improving digestion and boosting energy throughout the day. It's a quick and convenient choice that you can enjoy anytime, whether at home or on the go. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and a perfect low-calorie snack, making them ideal for weight management. The addition of black pepper and lemon juice enhances their refreshing taste with a zesty touch. Rich in antioxidants, cucumbers help detoxify your body, promoting clear and glowing skin. You can sprinkle some rock salt for added minerals and flavor, making this snack even more nourishing. It's a convenient and light option when you are craving something healthy and satisfying. Sweet corn is a delicious, nutrient-packed snack that helps curb cravings without adding excessive calories. The lemon juice and chaat masala bring out its natural sweetness and add a tangy kick. Rich in fiber and vitamins, it promotes digestion and provides long-lasting energy. Additionally, its antioxidant properties protect your skin and support overall health. A small drizzle of melted butter can enhance the taste, but remember to enjoy it in moderation to keep the snack light and healthy. Makhana is a healthy and low-calorie snack, packed with protein and antioxidants, making it a great choice for weight management. Roasting it with a pinch of salt and ghee gives it a crunchy texture and rich flavor. You can even spice it up with black pepper or peri-peri seasoning for an extra kick. Makhana helps keep you full, reducing cravings between meals. It's a perfect snack to stay satisfied while supporting your weight loss goals. Let's jump to the 10th snack. Watermelon is not only hydrating but also low in calories, making it an ideal snack for weight loss. The addition of lemon juice gives it a refreshing and tangy kick, perfect for summer. Packed with vitamins A and C, watermelon helps nourish your skin and keep it healthy. Pairing it with fresh mint leaves adds an extra burst of flavor and coolness. It's a delicious, light snack to satisfy your cravings while promoting overall health. Buttermilk is a low-calorie, refreshing drink that aids in digestion and helps keep you hydrated. It's rich in probiotics, which promote gut health and boost immunity. Thin buttermilk is great for cooling your body during hot weather and can help balance your pH levels. Adding a pinch of black salt or cumin powder enhances its flavor and offers digestive benefits. It's a perfect, light snack option that nourishes your body while keeping you full and energized. Dry fruit dates laddu is a healthy, energy-boosting snack made with natural sweetness from dates and the goodness of dry fruits like almonds, cashews, and walnuts. These laddus are rich in fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats, making them perfect for boosting energy and promoting good digestion. To make, blend dates with your favorite dry fruits and roll the mixture into small balls. They are not only a delicious treat but also a great option for a quick snack or a post-workout energy boost. Enjoy these nutrient-packed laddus without worrying about your calorie intake. Coconut water is a refreshing, low-calorie drink packed with natural electrolytes, making it ideal for hydration. It helps flush toxins from the body, promotes healthy digestion, and gives your skin a glowing appearance. A slice of lime adds a zesty twist while boosting your vitamin C intake. This light, revitalizing drink is perfect as a mid-morning snack to keep you energized throughout the day. Plus, it's a great option to keep you feeling refreshed and nourished. Popcorn is a whole grain snack that's low in calories and high in fiber, making it perfect for weight loss. Air-popped popcorn is light, filling, and can curb those midday snack cravings without the guilt. It's also rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals and improve skin health. Just skip the butter and salt, and try seasoning with turmeric powder or a pinch of paprika for extra flavor. Finally, the last snack, almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a perfect snack for weight management. They help keep you full, boost brain function, and promote heart health. A small handful of almonds is all you need to satisfy your hunger and provide a steady energy boost. They also contain vitamin E, which helps keep your skin healthy and glowing. Here are the key insights from today's video. We shared 15 delicious, vegetarian snacks under 100 calories, perfect for weight management. These easy-to-make recipes use simple local ingredients that you can find at home. We also discussed how to control hunger while keeping your snacks healthy and satisfying. With these tips, you can make snacking both enjoyable and nutritious. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope these healthy snack ideas help you stay on track with your weight management goals. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Make sure to follow these simple, nutritious snacks for a healthier lifestyle.